Okay, so today we're going to use the intercept method. These are in standard form, and this intercept method really works with anything, but for equations like this, it looks the best. So, to find the x-intercept, you basically write it without the y. Okay, so I'm going to put the 3x equals negative 9. To find the x-intercept, I write it without the y. I get rid of it. Okay, divide both sides by 3, and x equals negative 3. Okay, on the x-axis, put a point at negative 3. That's the intercept. That's where the line intercepts or hits that axis. Okay, for the y-intercept, do the same thing. Write it without the x because you want to know the y. This equation looks very similar to the last one. It's basically the same. So when we divide by 3 to solve it, we get the same answer. So the y-intercept was also negative 3. So at the y-axis, put a point at negative 3. Okay, all these methods are very similar in that you end up with 2 points and you draw a line through them. So let me draw a line through these 2 points. Okay, that's all there is to it. On this next one, go ahead and kind of do one step at a time here. Go ahead and write the equations here. Okay, so for the x-intercept, write it without the y. It's 5x equals negative 30. And then for the y-intercept, write it without the x. Negative 6y equals negative 30. Be sure you include the negative in front of the 6y. Okay, go ahead and solve both of those for the letters. Okay, this one divide by 5. X equals negative 6. This one divide by negative 6. Y equals 5. Okay, go ahead and plot those two intercepts. So on the x-axis, put a point at negative 6. On the y-axis, put a point at 5. Go ahead and do that. Okay, on the x-axis, negative 6. On the y-axis at 5. And then draw your line. Okay, go ahead and try the next one there. I'll be back with you in a minute.